Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix this channel cannot be displayed in Telegram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your mobile device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open your browser and search for web.telegram.org because you need to use the web version of Telegram when you want to fix this problem, okay? But if you are using your desktop, just go ahead and open your Telegram app if you have one, or just go ahead and use the web version also, okay? So now just go ahead and log in your account. And then after that, just go ahead and click on the three little lines, click on settings, click on privacy and security. And then you should see the sensitive content section. So you need to make sure that you enabled disable filtering for sensitive content. Okay. So once you've enabled this switch, that should help you with your problem. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and restart your Telegram app, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.